Hello dear students, this is Mrs. Memuna Bombewala and today we are going to talk about phenols. Phenols is an extension of benzene. In our last many videos we have discussed in details benzene. Before you watch anything on benzene, on phenol, please make it a point that you know benzene well. Now for today let us start talking about phenols. What are phenols? See, there is a difference between phenol and a word called as aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol. There is a difference between these two things. One is called as phenol and the other is called as aromatic alcohol. What is the difference between the two? First thing we should be very clear about is this. Phenols are nothing but when hydroxyl group is directly attached to the aryl ring, right? Such a compound is called as phenol. Whereas when hydroxyl group is attached to a methyl group or maybe कितने भी methyl group हो सकते हैं, such a compound will be called as aromatic alcohol. You call them as benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Right? See, this is called as benzyl, right? Whereas this ring is called as phenyl ring. So together these make a phenol. Whereas this makes what? Benzyl alcohol. So benzyl alcohol contains one carbon more than that of phenol, and this is the primary difference between phenol and aromatic alcohol. Right? We're going to talk about a few examples of phenols. Like for example, this is my phenol with a benzene with a hydroxyl group. See, I can have a phenol, that means a benzene with a hydroxyl group and substituted by methyl. I can have this methyl group at any of these positions. This is for example ortho, this can be meta and this can be para. So such a compound is called as orthocresol. Why it is called ortho? Because the two groups are lying next to each other. Meta, because they are lying there is a one carbon in between. So this is metacresol. I can have a paracresol wherein the methyl and the hydroxyl groups are lying diagonally opposite to each other. I can also have polyphenols like, suppose see, why do I call them as polyphenols? मतलब एक से ज्यादा हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप्स. तो एग्जाम्पल हो सकते हैं जब OH ऑर्थो पर हो तो इसको मैं बोलूंगी ना ऑर्थो डाई, क्योंकि ऑर्थो पर OH दो, डाई हाइड्रोक्सी फिनॉल. दिस इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज कटेचॉल. ऑर्थो डाई हाइड्रोक्सी फिनॉल इज कॉमनली कॉल्ड एज कैटोचॉल. ये हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप्स अगर ऑर्थो की जगह मेटा पर होते तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रिसोर्सिनॉल. रिसोर्सिनॉल विच इज नथिंग बट मेटा डाई हाइड्रोक्सी फिनॉल. करेक्ट? Suppose I have a phenol like this wherein there is a carboxylic acid attached to it. So what will I name it? I don't name it as phenol. Instead I name it like this. I will call it as, see, this is one position, 2, 3, मतलब एक छोड़कर तो हम बोलेंगे इसको मेटा हाइड्रोक्सी. कौन? ये. और this is entirely, this is called as what? Benzoic एसिड. तो सवाल ये है कि इसको फिनॉल क्यों नहीं बोल रहे, इसको बेंजोइक एसिड क्यों बोल रहे, और फिनॉल को या हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप को यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूएंट बोल के ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. ऐसा इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज अ हाई प्रायोरिटी फंक्शनल ग्रुप. कोई भी उसके सामने आ जाए प्रायोरिटी हमेशा उसकी, और जिस फंक्शनल ग्रुप को प्रायोरिटी नॉमेनक्लेचर में उसका नाम हमेशा पीछे. जैसे हमारे खानदान के नाम होते हैं सरनेम. सरनेम इज ऑलवेज केप्ट इन अवर एंड, द लास्ट नेम. जैसे मेमुना बॉम्बेवाला, दैट इज माय खानदान का नाम. वैसे ही यहाँ पर द बेंजोइक एसिड इज द हाई प्रायोरिटी फंक्शनल ग्रुप, so the name will always come in the end. So this is about the few different examples. There are many more. These are the few different examples of phenol that we have talked about. In our next video, we are going to talk about the structure of phenol, right? And in forthcoming videos, we are going to talk about the physical properties of phenol also, which is very interesting. Keep watching and keep liking.